Hello and welcome back everyone. We will make a giraffe. Put the handprint of a kid. Now draw its neck. Using the brush, draw its ears. Stick its eyes. Then using cotton buds, put dots on its body using brown color. Now we will make a tree. Draw the branches and trunk of the tree. Make its leaves by pressing green color on it. Using toothbrush, make the grass. Put dots on it and it's ready. Next, we will draw the radish. Outline your hand as shown in the video. Now outline it using black sketch pen. After drawing the outlines, we will color it using green, yellow and light green color. Watch the video and give the strokes as we are drawing. After coloring it, we will make the leaves of the radish. Mix and merge the color very carefully as we are doing. After, take a clay and put it over the radish and make lines on it using the knife. Next, using the brown color clay, we will make the soil. Press it as we are doing using the fingers. Make black dots over the radish using the red clay. Make a ladybug on the soil and your beautiful craft is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a red color flamingo. Color the kid's hand using red color and then press it over the white sheet as we are doing. After that, we will make the beak, eyes and the legs of the flamingo and your bird is ready. Next, we will make a beautiful peacock. Color your hand using blue color and then press it over the white sheet as we have done. Then using the green sketch pen, we will draw the crown and the feathers of the peacock. Then using black sketch pen, we will draw its legs and beak, stick its eyes and your peacock is ready. Thanks for watching.